Good morning, students. As you know that in my previous class, that passive form I have explained in a detail and with example. Once again today, I am interested to go another exercise in grammar part, that is linkers. So, here also you can score 4 marks. So, here question 34 marks related to linkers. Linkers, why we should use in between of sentence. These linkers are very important. Why we should use these linkers in a paragraph while writing, and important of that linkers that we can see. So, linkers, that question comes, they will ask once again that 4 marks. Remember that paragraph will be given, in that paragraph in bracket 4 to 4 linkers words will be given. You have to read that paragraph, in the blank which one will be the suitable, that you have to write it. That you should do. So, let us see here today what are, see here, what are linkers, why are they used, how to choose a linker, what is their use in descriptive paragraphs, important linkers, type of linkers, example, broad meaning, example. Remember, what are linkers? Why are they used? How to choose a linker? What is their use in descriptive paragraph? Just today, let us glance on this topic, grammar part, linker. So, what it is here? There are other lexical, means vocabulary forms that support our expressions in composing a good paragraph. See, basic thing is to what words, these linkers, what to make what? Good paragraph. One such classification of lexis is linkers. In vocabulary, one of this what linker plays very important to write good paragraph in grammar. In vocabulary, this part, linkers part is very important. Why? For what reason? To write paragraph, good paragraph. What the thought, idea we have in our mind, to complete that idea, in between of sentences, we have to use a suitable, appropriate linker, then that paragraph idea will be understood everyone. That is what here. Linkers are also called transitions or discourse markers. They help us establish our ideas explicit, our ideas. in a proper way to keep our thought ideas. It will help. That linkers will help. For that reason, in vocabulary, linker also plays very important role. Linkers make it easy for us to compare, please remember, compare, contrast, illustrate, define, summarizing our thoughts and develop coherent paragraphs. That is the what here, a main reason to use linkers. ಈ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಆಧಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಾಕ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿದಾಗ, ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಬಳಸಿದಾಗ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲುಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್, ನಾವು ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಈ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಿಫೈನ್, ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದಾಗೂ ನಾವು ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಮ್ಮರೈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾರಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಕೊಹಿರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಆ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶುದ್ಧ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಮಹತ್ವ, ಈ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಬಳಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಮಹತ್ವವಾದದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ that help you to write a descriptive paragraph. In paragraph, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ, in your examination, they will give paragraph, in bracket they will give what? Linker words that you have to write it. So let us see here. What are linkers? What are linkers? Linkers are words that relate one idea or sentence to the text with another. They connect the ideas logically. See, what are linkers? Linkers are the words they connect logically. What here? They connect ideas. It may be what? Sentence to sentence, word to word, words to word, sentence to sentence, text with another. So for that reason, linkers are words that relate one idea or sentence of a text with another. They connect the idea logically. ನಾವು ಆ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಬಳಕೆಯಿಂದ, using these linkers, that idea we can present in a proper way. That is the what here. Why are they used? ಯಾಕೆ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು? Why are they used? Why are they used? They give direction to the writer. Why are they used? Because connect here, they will show the direction to the writer. They are also used to guide the reader through his thoughts. They make the meaningful specific. To what? Specific meaning. To give the weightage of idea, they will show the what? Direction. So that reality we can see in these words, linkers. Next one, how do choose a linker? How do we choose a linker? Meaning is the first. See, while writing, if we want to use it First, we should know the meaning of that word, linker word. Meaning is the first and the most important criterion in choosing a linker. Which one will be the good to use in that contrast, in that comparison? That is very important. ಆಯಾ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಬಳಸಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಶಬ್ದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಹತ್ವದ್ದು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ while writing paragraph, script, whatever it may be. So that is for that. The second is the logical relation that needs to be made distinctly clear. Another one is what? To make it clearly. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಶಬ್ದಗಳ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಹತ್ವದ್ದು, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್, ಸೊ, therefore express logical relations which are different from those expressions by although, but, and nevertheless. So all these are the what here linkers is essential to give clear, what distinctly clear, what the idea thought we have in us, in our mind, to present in a clear way. So next one, what is their use in descriptive paragraph? What is their use in descriptive paragraphs? See, look here. What are linkers? Why are they used? How to choose a linker? What is their use in descriptive paragraph? So descriptive paragraph, it is important to use linkers while describing a person, place or thing. Here it is very important while describing. They help us in listening facts chronologically. Another one thing, it helps lot to what here? To write in a chronological way. It helps, that linkers. Linking events across time, comparing, contrasting sketches, explaining graphic images and illustrating the main idea. So that is what descriptive paragraph. Why we should use means they help us in listing facts chronologically, linking events across time. Which time? Comparing and contrasting sketches and explaining graphic images and illustrating the main idea. So for all these reasons, it is essential that we should know about words, and also specifically we should know usage of these linkers. It will give a proper direction to writer to write it. And first we should know the meaning of those linkers, and at what time which linker word we should use, that if we know, we can do well, write well. So, for that purpose. So, next see here, type of linkers, examples. Broad meaning, then example, that we can see. Let us see here, type of linker. Suppose, see here, type of linker, cause and effect. Then here examples, broad meaning of that. Then one example here. Here we had to wait because it was raining. Just one example, if you see, you comes to know here. So, type of linker, cause and effect, cause and effect. Examples, here examples, see, because, so, accordingly, thus, consequently, hence, therefore, has. Here Karana, cause and effect, prabhava, cause and effect. Type of linker, nelly cause and effect, Karana, prabhava. Example, a Karana, prabhava ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು? ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್, ಸೊ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ, ದಸ್, ಕಾನ್ಸಿಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿ, ಹೆನ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್, ಹ್ಯಾಸ್. ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ here, broad meaning introduces a reason and shows result. Introduces a reason and shows result. Example, see here example, we had to wait because, linker, because it was raining. ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೈನಿಂಗ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಸಿಚುವೇಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಥ ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮಹತ್ವ. ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್, ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಬಳಸ್ಬೋದು? ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್? ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ, likewise, whereas, but, on the other hand, except, by comparison, when, compared to, equally, in the same way. These are the what? Examples while using what? Comparison. These are the words, linkers we use while comparing, comparison. Broad meaning of that here, identifies similarities between two ideas. So, another one example, see here, So, what it is here? Life is difficult in extreme poles. Similarly, it is horrible near the equatorial regions. Equatorial regions. Life is difficult in extreme poles. Similarly, it is horrible near the equatorial regions. Similarly, comparison. What we do while comparing? We will use similarity, means similarly, likewise. On the other hand, ಇಂಥ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. But one thing you have to remember, in your examination paragraph will be given, in bracket they will give what words, linker words. You have to read the paragraph according to that paragraph, which linker word is more appropriate in that blank. You have to write it. That you should do. With an example I will explain. So, next one here, contrast. See here, cause and effect, comparison. Here, contrast. For this contrast, which words will come? But, however, at, still, even though, nevertheless, on the other hand, otherwise, after all, for all of that, on the contrary, notwithstanding, in contrast, unlike, whereas. So, like this, these are the words we use while contrast. See example here, Raj did not perform well in the exam, nevertheless he got a distinction in English. See contrast. He did not perform well in the exam, nevertheless he got a distinction in English. See that is what here, contrast, cause and effect, contrast. Then next here, time. Type of linker, time, ಸಮಯ. ಆ ಸಮಯನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಂಥ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು? ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು. At once, immediately, meanwhile, at length, in the meantime, at the same time, in the end, when, then, as, before that, after that. So, here indicates what here? Time. These are the words indicates what? Time. So, what we should do in that what writing? We have to use linker suitable. Suppose the bell rang and the students left immediately. Immediately they left. So, like this here. Next one here, type of addition. So, addition, for that here linkers, we can use what? Linkers. Which type here? Links, and also, even, again, moreover, furthermore, in addition, as well as. See here, all these are the words what? here in the column of water linker addition, what these words will do? Add in support of the main idea. ಈ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಮೇನ್ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಾಟ್ ಟುಡೇ, ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ outage. So that is what here. In addition means addition. ಇಲ್ಲಿ it is very hot today, moreover there is a power shortage. Then example, in the type of linker example. For example, such as, for instance, in this case, in another case, on this occasion, in this situation, in this manner, to illustrate. What all these words they do? Once again it illustrates to support idea. For example, I think he is very rich. I think he is very rich. For example, he gave a 100 rupee note to a beggar. For example, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಪುಷ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಗಿವನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈ ಗೇವ್ ಎ 100 rupee ನೋಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಬೆಗ್ಗರ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ರಿಚ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈ ಗೇವ್ ಎ 100 rupee ನೋಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಬೆಗ್ಗರ್. ಆ ಥರ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ these linkers, these are the linkers which help to write in a specifically descriptive writing. All these linkers helps very much to write in a different manner. Then sometimes here in this water sequence, at the time of sequence, what are the linker words we can use? Here first, second, third, next, then, following, now, at this point, after this, subsequently, eventually, finally, previously. ಆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಶಬ್ದ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ sentence to sentence, at the time of idea to give, to support, these are the what words we can use. Example here. So, what? There is a student's procession today. Therefore, see, therefore, they diverted the traffic. So, linker which is used. Then next here, summary, type of summary. At that time here, linkers, what are the linkers we can use? Function here, in brief, on the whole, in sum, to sum up this. So like this we use. For example, it is a love story, the actors performed well, the direction is excellent, the settings are beautiful. In brief, it is a good film. In brief, linker. In brief is a linker. So once again say, I will repeat, how they will support is important, plays vital role in paragraph, in sentences, these linkers. See, once again I will read. See, while speaking, it is used, linkers is used. Suppose it is a love story, the actors performed well, the direction is excellent, the settings are beautiful. In brief, it is what? Linker. In brief, it is a good film. So like this we will be used linkers. but in your this what question in your exams, once again usually they will ask from your textbook chapter. So, you must careful to use appropriate linker. So, that is what here and question will be asked, fill in the blanks with right linkers, like this they will ask. So, I think you got idea, and next class with two examples, with 2-3 examples, if I explain, you will be perfect enough that to do exercise in your workbook, as well as you will be what know to write in your examinations. Thank you. This will be continued in my next class. Thank you.